Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Diva Secrets. So guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you all how to make orange blossom facial cream. So you can use this cream on your body also, but this cream is made for our face because of the active ingredient that I used on this facial cream. So these ingredients are meant to target pigmentation, spots, wrinkles and fine lines. Please make sure to watch this video from the starting to the ending. So guys, I'm going to be working with so many ingredients, so that is why I said watch from the starting to the ending. So we are going to start working with our distilled water. Do not use any water from the tap guys. Make sure to use distilled water and spray your working areas, spray your working tools, and make sure your working areas are very clean. Yeah, make sure you're working in a very clean environment. We don't want to contaminate our products. Make sure your bowls, your spoon, your cups are well cleaned. So I'm going to be working with my orange peel powder. Yeah guys, I'll be working with my orange peel powder, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of my orange peel powder, and I'm going to dissolve with my distilled water. So this cream is orange blossom cream. That is why I'm using my orange peel powder. You all know that orange contains vitamin C, and vitamin C is a very great antioxidant that helps to take out dead skin cells from our skin. It helps to lighten our skin, and it helps to take out wrinkles, pigmentation, and dark spots, fine lines. So guys, in our oil phase, I will be working with our shea butter gold, and this shea butter is raw shea butter, organic shea butter, and unrefined shea butter. So most people say shea butter darken their skin, so I don't know the kind of shea butter that you're using, but I'm using raw, organic, and unrefined shea butter. So I'm going to be adding my emulsifying wax, and I'm working with 1 tablespoon of my emulsifying wax and 1 tablespoon of my stearic acid. So guys, make sure to watch this video from the starting to the ending, because we have a lot of things that we are adding into this orange blossom facial cream. So for your better understanding, make sure to watch from starting to the ending. So what we are going to do now is to go and dissolve our water, and also we are going to dissolve our oils, and we are going to dissolve them to 140 degrees. So stay tuned and I will be back guys. Let's go and dissolve this. So guys, I'm back. This is our wax and our shea butter, and this is my carrot oil, handmade carrot oil. So I'm going to leave the link below my description box. You can go and check it out. I'll be using 1 tablespoon of carrot oil, and this is my Pimedoux oil. I also made this myself. So Pimedoux oil is very good when it comes to lightening, brightening of our skin, because it contains vitamin C. So I will be using 1 tablespoon of our Pimedoux oil. So very soon I'm going to be uploading this Pimedoux oil, how you can make your own Pimedoux oil. So stay tuned and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you will get this video when I upload it. And this is my orange oil, handmade orange oil, and orange oil also contains vitamin C. So I added 2 tablespoons of my orange oil. This is my orange extract also. So guys, now I'm going to be adding my water phase into my oil phase. So as you're adding it, make sure to be stirring at the same time so that your products can fully emulsify. So keep stirring, guys. And this is my orange extract. And keep stirring. This cream is a great cream. So this is called Orange Blossom Cream, and it's also called a vitamin C facial cream because everything you're using here contains vitamin C. So guys, I'm going to be using niacinamide powder. Yeah guys, niacinamide helps to brighten up, lighten up our skin. It helps to take out fine lines, pigmentation, and dark spots. So I dissolved it with our normal distilled water. So this is our cream, guys. This is looking so beautiful. So now I'm going to add our niacinamide. And the next thing I'll be adding is our Allantoin powder. So Allantoin helps to moisturize our skin, and Allantoin helps to fight wrinkles and fine lines. So I'm going to dissolve with our normal distilled water. So guys, if you're making any facials at home, make sure to use Allantoin because Allantoin works good when it comes to our face. So I'm adding our Allantoin powder. And the next thing that I will be adding is our Glutathione powder. Glutathione helps to brighten and lightening, and it helps to soften our skin. It helps to fight wrinkles and fine lines. So most of these powders that I'm using, they help to target most of our pigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles. So I'm going to dissolve with warm water. Sorry guys, not warm water. I'm dissolving with my normal distilled water. So the next powder that I'll be using also is my vitamin E powder. So this is going to help to expand the shelf life of this cream, and it's also going to help with wrinkles and fine lines. So if you have vitamin E oil, that is very good also. So I'm using the vitamin E powder and I'm using 1 scoop. So I'm adding it to I added it to Allantoin mist. So we're going to mix them together and pour it into our cream. So we're going to give it a good mix. Make sure to mix very well, guys. Mixing is the key so that your oils and your water will not separate from each other. So I'll be adding a little bit of vitamin A powder. So this is going to help to target pigmentation. It's going to help to target spots and melasma, rough skin. So guys, this is my personal facial creams. That is why you see me adding most of this stuff. This is my own personal facial creams. So I have to give my skin a good food. So you're going to mix thoroughly, guys. And guys, I will be adding my aloe vera gel. This is 100% organic aloe vera gel. This is going to help to heal our sunburn because this is an orange facial cream and this is night cream. You cannot use this cream at daytime, guys. This is meant to use at night, or if you want to use it at daytime, make sure to use sunscreen. So I'll be adding my glycerin for moisturizing and for skin firming. So I'm just giving it a good mix, good mix, good mix, good mix. So for those of you that always ask, what do you use on your skin? This is one of my face cream, guys. So now I'm going to add my Proplyenglycol, and Proplyenglycol helps all these active ingredients that we are using, is going to help them to work like fastly. It's going to help them to penetrate deep into our skin. It's going to help to soften our skin. So I'm adding my Proplyenglycol. So we're just going to give it a good mix, good mix, good mix. So guys, if you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe. So I'm going to add my skin free make. I'm working with my preservative and I'm using just 1%. So you're going to give it a good mix. I'm adding my orange essential oil. Guys, this cream is amazing, like really amazing. This is my personal facial cream. So I don't have I don't have a personal facial cream. I can make carrots for myself, I can make this for myself, I can make hibiscus for myself, you know. So but this is nice. This is nice, guys. So I'm going to be transferring this into our jar, and make sure to clean your jar, and voila, this is it, guys. This is so beautiful and this is so nice. This is our orange blossom facial cream, or rather you can call it our vitamin C facial cream. So this helps to brighten up our skin, it helps to lighten up our skin, it helps to take out melasma and spots. So guys, thank you for watching. Ask me any question, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you soon. Bye.